Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is the Great Tay Tay. If it's your first time here, welcome. So for today's video, you guys, I want to show you guys a quick routine on how I remove my face makeup, and also I'm going to show you guys how I make my turmeric face mask. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. So this is what my face looks like, you guys. I have foundation on and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna just remove these lashes from my eyes. I'm gonna place them in the case. If you wanna grab your lashes, you guys, I have lashes on my website. So I'm gonna start off with the eyelid wipes to remove all the makeup from my eyes. So the areas around my eyes as well, I'm just gonna use the eyelid wipes to remove all the eye makeup, you guys. And as I was saying before, I have lashes on my website for sale. So if you're looking to grab lashes, it's www.27.com. I'll leave all the details in the description below. So now I am going to use my makeup remover, and you guys, when you're I'm using the makeup remover to remove all the foundation and all that stuff from my face, and the concealer, you know the works, right? And my foundation, I'll leave the name of the not the foundation I'll leave the name of the makeup wipes in the description bar below. But you don't have to use this exact wipes, you guys. Just ensure that the wipes you're using has vitamin E in it, okay? Vitamin E, it's really good for your skin. So if you're going to be using a wipes to remove the makeup from your face, always ensure that it has vitamin E, okay? So now I am gonna start making my turmeric paste for my face. I put my turmeric in a container, honey, and if you are using turmeric, you guys, organic turmeric is the best. I don't have organic turmeric, so I'm using what I have, okay? So it really doesn't matter. And I'm also using lemon juice, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of lemon juice, you guys, and I'm gonna mix it all together. I added a very small portion of lemon juice because I don't want the paste, you want it to have a texture like you want it to be really thick, because if it's too watery, it's gonna run all over your face. And just so you guys know, when you're doing this, the turmeric stains, okay? So try your best not to get the turmeric on your counter or on your clothes or anything like that. So now I'm just adding the paste to my face. I'm just gonna add it to my entire face pretty much. And turmeric, you guys, it's really, really good for your skin. It's good for discoloration. It's good for acne, and its anti-inflammatory qualities targets the pores in your skin, and it calms your skin, you guys. And let me tell you, lemon juice as well, the benefits of lemon juice, you guys, it reduces skin damages, it prevents premature aging, it decreases oil on your skin. So if you have oily skin, this is really good for you. It reduces inflammation of the skin, you guys. And let me give you just a few benefits of the honey. The honey, it reduces acne. So if you have acne issues, honey, it's really good for you. And the honey also keeps the skin moist, not oily, and it also gives the skin a beautiful glow, you guys. So this mask, you guys, you can do this maybe twice a week. You don't want to do it too often because it does lighten your skin a little bit. So you don't want to be doing this every single day, every single night before you go to bed, because I normally do this before I go to bed. But you can do this at least twice a week. So I let it sit on my face for 15 to 20 minutes. I just washed it off my face with water and also with my face soap. You can use your face soap of choice. I use the turmeric soap. And I have another video where I show all my skincare stuff, and you can see the exact soap that I'm using. So now, you guys, after pat drying my face with the towel, I am now using coconut oil to moisturize my face. What the coconut oil does, it keeps my skin hydrated. It traps the moisture inside my skin, leaving my skin feeling soft. And, when you get up the next morning, my face will look refreshed and soft and glowing, you guys. So that's it. That's all for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you'll be trying out this routine. And also, if you haven't yet joined the family, feel free to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Show your girl some love by hitting the thumbs up button. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching.